Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Pyrethrin is probably one of the most effective and widely used natural insecticides available, derived from chrysanthemum flowers, making it a popular choice for homeowners and farmers seeking a less toxic alternative to synthetic pesticides for controlling a broad spectrum of insects in gardens, homes, and on pets, and its rapid knockdown effect provides quick relief from pest infestations. But understanding its application and limitations is key to maximizing its benefits. Number 5. BugMD Ant Killer and Bug Spray Concentrate. Introducing a revolutionary bug killer and spray concentrate. Its plant-powered formula offers effective indoor pest control for your home. Tired of unwanted guests like cockroaches, flies, and spiders? This concentrate is designed to provide a strong defense against a variety of common household insects. Crafted with the power of essential oils, this treatment provides a natural approach to pest defense. Enjoy peace of mind with its gentle yet effective ingredients. A little goes a long way with this highly concentrated formula. It's designed for maximum impact, ensuring thorough treatment for your living spaces. Say goodbye to bothersome bugs and hello to a cleaner, more comfortable home. This is your go-to solution for effective and natural insect defense. What we like? If you're looking for an indoor solution, this is it. Its plant-powered formula and essential oil blend make it a great choice for home use. Choose this if you prefer natural ingredients for bug control within your living space. What people say. This product is very effective at killing insects. It is easy to use and apply. The product has a long-lasting effect. Number 4. Adams Plus Pyrethrin Flea Dip for Dogs and Cats. Introducing a potent solution designed to eliminate and deter a wide range of pests. It effectively targets fleas, ticks, lice, gnats, mosquitoes, and flies, ensuring comprehensive protection for your pets. This versatile formula is suitable for dogs, cats, puppies, and kittens. It provides reliable defense against bothersome insects and parasites, keeping them comfortable and healthy. Specifically formulated for horses and ponies, it safeguards against horseflies, houseflies, stable flies, face flies, horn flies, deer flies, gnats, mosquitoes, lice, and ticks. Ideal for horses of all disciplines and life stages, including show horses, trail horses, barn horses, and those with sensitive skin. It offers a gentle yet powerful shield against insects. Apply it as a spray for full body coverage or a wipe for the face. Reapply every 5 to 14 days, or after washing or heavy rain, for continuous protection. Beyond its insect-repelling capabilities, this product also conditions the coat, softening the mane and tail. It enhances natural luster, acting as both a fly spray and a coat conditioner. This multi-purpose spray provides complete bug and insect repellent protection for your horses and ponies. One bottle ensures daily protection from barn to trail throughout fly season. What we like? For pet owners seeking comprehensive pest control, this is an excellent option. It effectively kills and repels fleas and ticks while also conditioning your pet's coat. If you have dogs and cats and want a product that offers both protection and grooming benefits, consider this. What people say. The product is effective against a wide range of insects, including mosquitoes, flies, and ants. It has a fast-acting formula that kills insects on contact. The product is safe to use around children and pets when used as directed. Number 3. Ranger Ready Picaridin Insect Repellent Spray. Introducing Ranger Ready's Picaridin Insect Repellent Spray. It offers powerful protection against mosquitoes and ticks, keeping your family safe. Our formula is DEET-free, making it a safe and effective choice for everyone. Enjoy the outdoors without worry. Experience our Scent Zero technology for a fragrance-free application. It works effectively without any added scent. This repellent is family-friendly, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Keep everyone protected from biting insects. Enjoy long-lasting defense against mosquitoes and ticks with this 8 ounces spray. It's your go-to for reliable protection. Don't let insects ruin your day. This spray is an essential part of your outdoor gear for peace of mind. What we like? If you prioritize a DEET-free and unscented repellent, this is the one to get. It's family-friendly and effective against mosquitoes and ticks. Choose this if you're looking for a safe and odorless option for yourself and your loved ones. What people say. The product is effective in killing insects. It is easy to use and apply. The scent is mild and not overpowering. Number 2. Bonide Pyrethrin Garden Insect Spray Concentrate, 8 ounces. Introducing a powerful solution for your garden. This concentrate offers a fast and effective way to eliminate common garden pests. It's designed for use on a wide range of vegetables, flowers, and ornamental trees and shrubs. Protect your entire garden with ease. The active ingredient is naturally derived from chrysanthemum flowers. It's a biodegradable insecticide that targets the insect's nervous system. You can use this product on vegetables right up to the day of harvest. It won't leave any unwanted residue behind. Mixing is simple, just dilute 3 tablespoons with 1 gallon of water. It can be applied with a sprinkler can or sprayer. Keep your crops safe from damaging insects. This spray effectively kills pests that threaten your harvest. What we like. For gardeners wanting quick and effective pest control, this concentrate is ideal. Its fast-acting formula targets a wide range of garden insects and is biodegradable. If you need to protect your vegetables and ornamental plants right up to harvest, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is effective against a wide range of insects. It has a fast-acting formula that kills pests on contact. The spray nozzle provides even coverage and is easy to use. Number 1. Premo Guard Bed Bug, Mite and Lice Laundry Additive. Introducing Premo Guard, your natural solution for eliminating bed bugs, mites, and lice. This powerful additive works with your regular laundry to ensure a clean and safe environment. Formulated with natural ingredients, it provides effective pest control without harsh chemicals. Keep your home and loved ones protected with this gentle yet potent formula. Simply add it to your wash cycle along with your detergent. It seamlessly integrates into your routine, making pest management effortless. Effectively tackles bed bugs, mites, and lice on fabrics and bedding. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your laundry is working hard to remove these nuisances. Experience a cleaner, healthier home environment. Premo Guard offers a natural and effective way to deal with common household pests. What we like. If you're dealing with hard to eliminate pests like bed bugs, mites, or lice, this laundry additive is a smart addition. Its natural formula works with your regular wash to help eliminate them. Consider this if you're looking for a convenient way to tackle these specific pests during laundry. What people say. This product is a great flea and tick killer. It works very well and kills fleas and ticks on contact. I have been using this product for years and it has always worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.